omulambo gw'abadde minisita w'ensonga z'ebyokwerinda Sarah Mateke gutuusiddwa oluggya lwa Paalamenti nga zikunukkiriza okwera saa 8 ez'emisana. Oluvannyuma omwoyo gwe gusabiddwa ng'enteekateeka eno ekulembeddwamu Ssaabalabirizi w'ekkanisa ya Uganda Dr. Stephen Kazimba Mugalu ng'onaaleze obwennyamivu olw'okwekengera obutwa okweyongedde ennyo mu babaka ne bannabyabufuzi mu ggwanga, bw'atyo n'asaba buli omu okwesiga munne.
I think poison is becoming a common language. And that's why even when we have you visiting us at church, members of parliament, many people when it comes to lunch time, the members of they disappear. Hey, why are they disappearing? They fear to be poisoned, even at church. So people fear.
Dr. Kazimba era agamba nti n'omuwendo gw'ababaka abazze bafa mu Paalamenti y'e11 nagwo gweraliikiriza, bw'atyo n'abasaba okwewunga mu mikono gya Katonda.
We are left with the questions. Why this is happening? I want to pray for you, members of Parliament and all leaders here, that the Lord will give you the strength you need at this point. Because we have lost many people from this house. And we pray that the Lord will continue to take care of each one of you.
Speaker wa Parliament Anita Among akubirizza ababaka okwewala entalo n'okwesiga ettoomi essaba liteeke mu kwagalana n'okutondawo obumu.
Honourable members, this is your family where you belong. Love each other. Be there for each other. Don't waste any time in grudges and fights, in wars. Have peace and love each other.
Minisita wa Uganda Robinah Nabbanja yeetisse obubaka bw'omukulembeze w'eggwanga General Yoweri Kaguta Museveni eri abakungubazi abadde bakuŋŋaanidde ku Paalamenti.
From His Excellency the President of the Republic of Uganda, we have been with him in cabinet, and he had to adjourn cabinet to allow us come here. And he has confirmed to be with us tomorrow as we mourn our sister. Tomorrow at 5 p.m. Her humility, dedication, and passion were evident in everything she did.
Abakulembeze ku mitendera egy'enjawulo boogedde ku mukululu gwa Sarah Mateke.
We take this opportunity to honor and celebrate her life, a life marked by exemplary service, steadfast commitment, and a deep sense of duty to her nation.
Your Grace, if you can share with these MPs one by one, they will open up to you. As a Secretary General, I know at the moment they are very stressed. The phone calls they receive in a day, the pressure they have to run between constituencies, offices, and the chambers. Now that puts a lot of stress on a leader. And we can only understand the kind of stress our sister was going through. We pray that you find time within your busy schedule to relax and rest.
Paalamenti olunaku olw'enkya yakusiba emirimu gy'omugenzi Sarah Mateke. Paalamenti y'e11 bukyanga etandika yakafiirwa ababaka 5 okwali ne Sipiika Jacob Oulanyah. Joseph Seruwoza, BBS Terefayina, Paalamenti.